I'm in Stoke-on-Trent, and yeah, I didn't thought I would be recording a vlog. I truly didn't thought I would be recording a vlog. Had a performance nearby, and today, until midday, I decided to research around. Truly, I decided to research around, but just look at what I have here. It's just impossible to ignore. So I decided to try to record a vlog. I don't know if it will be good, okay. It's just too good to ignore, sincerely. Let me show you a little bit of what was yesterday's performance. Initially, the idea was, okay, I stop at that town nearby, Stoke-on-Trent. I go to perform, I take photos. Those photos, most of them go to my Patreon. Others go to my photography page on Instagram, which, if you're not aware of my photography page, just every time I post something on that, and every day I post one photo, I always share on my Insta stories through my main account on Instagram, so you will find it out if you go have a look. Yeah, performance wise, sometimes you travel for this, for what is in the background, sincerely, because the gig in itself was not bad, but I don't want to go in detail into it. I still managed to take a lot from it, like contacts, even if the gig I wouldn't describe as the best possible. The name of the park in the description, in case you guys want to check it out. And truly, it was just like, okay, I think I need to do something with it. I think I need to record stuff, because this is too good just to keep on photos. So it's another extra content for the YouTube channel. And yeah, enjoy. Around this area you can see that there is more to go. But my train is at midday. So I feel that, okay, this was nice to know about it. Maybe if I have more time around, if I come to another gig, maybe I will do the full path. Like I did with Manchester. The Manchester one was like I did a little bit and then I had to go back. And this is the same. I did a little bit, now I'm gonna go onwards and do a little bit and then go into the station. That way, like around 11 I'm at the station, and yeah, I record whatever I can until then. So yeah, it's a nice spot, truly lovely. So yeah, still in the pot, the hold this. So yeah, enjoy the view. It's quite nice, relaxing. I think this gives you a little bit of what Stoke-on-Trent is.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming Life got a good buzz going. I'm never, ever, never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down.
Yeah. It was a nice walk. Yes, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Morning. The pros and cons of having a camera like this and the microphone and I'm shooting a documentary. People look at you and it's like, why the fuck are you documenting Stoke-on-Trent? Come on. Document London, whatever the fuck. You document stuff properly. Not Stoke-on-Trent. Come on. Stoke-on-Trent. Come on. That's fun. Fun times. So yeah. I really hope I can take advantage of any of this footage, because I have no idea what I'll take advantage of. But Fuchi Burchi is trying an error. And yeah, let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. And yeah, see you on another vlog.